What's up guys? So today we're gonna go ahead and paint the XB. So Blaine's over here wet sanding the car, getting it ready.
What's up guys? So right now we are prepping the car for paint. As you can see, the door handles are masked off. I got the headlights and the front bumper off. This side I got the door handles. So we're gonna go ahead and tape off all the windows now, and we should be able to paint. So here we go. Alright guys, so if you can tell, the car is ready to spray. It's all wiped down, it's all taped up. Now the gun I'm going to be using is the purple Harbor Freight gun. Now I decided to use this gun because everybody is on a budget and not everybody can afford like a mid-range to a high-range gun. Like this gun here. This one is about like $120. It's a 904 HE. It's a Warwick. It's pretty good. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try out the purple gun today. It's from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna see how it sprays, and you guys are gonna see too. In case you guys are wondering if you should try and use this gun, you know, for a budget paint job. Again, the paint that I'm using is a single stage black. Nothing special. So this is pretty much a budget paint job all the way around. I believe the paint cost me about 100 bucks. The gun here is costing me about 10 bucks or so. I took the regulator and all that off of my other gun, so that didn't cost me anything. If you've seen in the previous videos, we've been doing body work on this XB for a little bit, and now it's time to spray. So we're gonna get on with it right now, and we're gonna take you guys along and see how everything comes together. So let's do it. Now the mixing ratio is 4:1. So 4 parts of paint to 1 part of hardener. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna unwrap it or unmask it. this light right here. Alright guys, so if you can tell now, the car is painted. It looks a lot better than when it was all primered up, but it does need to be wet sanded a lot, so that will be done in the next video. But for now, at least the car is all black finally. So yeah, let me air the car out. So I don't know if you can tell, but I polished this headlight. It used to look yellowy and kind of faded out, kind of like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this headlight that I did to that headlight, and then we're gonna put them back on the car. So the process is pretty simple. All I'm doing is taking my sander with 1500 grit on it, spraying some, whoa, you freaking scared me, spraying some water, giving this a good sand, and then I'm taking this polisher here with some rubbing compound and going over it, and it'll end up looking like the other headlight right there. So pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. Alright, so once you sand it down, it should look like this, kind of all flat and even. So now we're gonna go ahead and just throw some polish on here and polish it out. That should be enough for the whole headlight.
Huh?
Okay guys, there you go. It's all polished and it looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the car.
So I put the car out onto the road just so you can see it a little bit better. You can see it in direct sunlight. So here it is. I love it. It looks so shiny. I mean, we still have to cut and buff it because there's some parts that look a little bit dull, like right around here. And but yeah, here it is. I love it. And I think there's just some minor spots, like right over here it was a little bit dull. On the other side it was a little, there's some patches here and there, but overall I think it turned out really good, and I'm so excited for it. It was been primered for so long. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut and buff it in the next video, but I guess this is it for now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!